Congratulations, everybody. You got through our 14-day Summer Slimmer Challenge. Yay! Now we can have a fabulous drink, Sangria. You deserve it. Have a little white wine. First of all you need is some fresh fruit. I've got red raspberries, limes, lemon, apples, strawberry, peaches. And then you'll have a little sugar, a little brandy, club soda, and of course some white wine. So to begin, I have all of my wonderful fresh fruit in a pitcher. And then all you have to do is add some sugar, add a little brandy, and then add your white wine. It tastes so good. It's so summer, yay! And if you're not drinking, you could have a non-alcoholic white wine and then mix it up real good. Mix it, and I actually like to keep it about 3 to 4 hours so all of the flavors of the fruit get into the wine and it melds so beautifully, or just overnight. Then pour it onto some ice. Yum. Smells so good, you guys. And then I like to top it off with a little bit of club soda at the very top. And oh, it's so good. You could actually put a little more of your favorite fruits inside to top it all off. It tastes so good, and it's good for you with the fruit. Enjoy, you guys, and congratulations. Yay, happy summer.